Hello. Now, in the last video, we have learned how to what are the different ratios regarding trigonometry. Now, today we shall discuss about the values of different angles with respect to those six ratios. And also, I mentioned that sine and cosec, they are the reciprocal of each other. Cos and sec, they are the reciprocal. And tan and cot are the reciprocal. And also, tan is the ratio of sine and cos. That is, you can find the value of tan by dividing the value of sine by value of cos. Now, let us create one table. Sine, cos, 0 degree, the standard angles are 0 degree, 30 degree, 45, 60 and 90. For finding out the value of sine, what we'll do, we'll write 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Nextly, we'll divide this by 4. Do the cancellation part wherever is possible. And after that, next step is you find out the square root. Now 0 by 4 means 0, so that means square root of 0 is 0, and this one will be square root of 1 is 1 and square root of 4 is 2. This will be 1 by root 2, this will be root 3 by 2 and this will be 1. So sine of 0 is 0, sine of 30 is 1 by 2, sine of 45 is 1 by root 2, sine of 60 degree is root 3 by 2 and sine of 90 is 1. Now for cos and sine, they are the complement of each other. So that means for writing the value of sine, you have to write the values of sine in the reverse order. That is, for whatever is the value for sine 90 will be equal to the value for cos 0 degree, because 0 and 90, they are the complement of each other. 1, then root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2 and 0. Next comes to 10. I mentioned that for 10 we can get by dividing the value of sine by the value of cos. So 0 by 1 will give you 0. Next, for 30 degree, half divided by root 3 by 2. Half divided by root 3 by 2 will give you 1 by root 3. Then this will same, so divide, you will get 1. So root 3 by 2 by 1 by 2 will give you root 3. And this is 1 by 0 means, 1 by 0 means it is still now undefined. Now what is the reciprocal of 10? Or you can say cot and tan, they are the complement of each other. You can write the value for 10 in the reverse order. Undefined, root 3, 1, 1 by root 3, then 0. Then sec is the reciprocal of cos. So make it reciprocal, 1 by 1, 1. Its reciprocal is 2 by root 3. Its reciprocal is root 2, its reciprocal is 2, and reciprocal of 0 is undefined. And for cosec, write in the reverse order, undefined, 2, root 2, 2 by root 3 and 1. Now these are the standard values for all the 6 ratios. Now we shall discuss some problems found in exercise 8.2 of class 10 NCERT textbook. But you need to remember these values for calculation. Now one of the question, in your first question you have some angles or some divide simplification, but for that you need the values. So one of the question is like this, from your exercise 8.2, from question number 1, I am doing suppose 2 10 square 45 plus cos square 30 degree minus sin square 60 degree. Now look at this, 2 10 square 45. 10 square 45 means whatever is the value of 10 45, we have to square that one. So 10 45, you look at the table, 10 45 is 1. So that means 2 into, and this is square, 1 square. Then cos 30. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. And this is square. So you have to square the value of cos 30. And sin 60 is root 3 by 2. Square. These two are same, and plus and minus. So these two part will cancel out. So you have 2 into 1 square. 2 into 1 square means 2. And again, you have question number all the questions are of the same type, so there is no problem about that. And question number 2 is MCQ, try it yourself. And question number 3, come to question number 3. In question number 3, you are given tan of a plus b equal to root 3 and tan of a minus b equal to 1 by root 3. Again, you are given one condition, a plus b is less than equal to 90 degree and a is greater than b. So don't get into the confusion state by looking at this one. It said that a plus b is less than equal to 90 degree but greater than 0. So sum of these two angles can be equal to 90 degree, but it is always greater than 0. And also given that a is greater than b. Now it is not a confused state. Just you have to see for what angle of 10, because on the left hand side you have 10. So for what value of 10 you get root 3. So I think for tan 60 degree, you get root 3, and 1 by root 3 is for tan 30 degree. Now from both sides you cancel out 10, so you will get a plus b equal to 60, and from this you will get a minus b equal to 30. Now make it as number 1 and 2. Now sum of these two. So I think you have learned linear equation with t variables. So a plus b plus a minus b, and I am using the elimination method for linear equation in two variables, minus b. So twice a equal to 90. So a equal to 90 by 2, that is equal to 45 degree. So that means angle A is 45 degree. Now take one of the equation. One implies, suppose a is 45 plus b equal to 60. So that means b equal to 60 minus 45. So that is equal to 15 degree. So I think you have understood this one. So you try the remaining questions from your side, and we'll come up with more concepts in the next videos. Thank you.